Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here. Today I will be doing another vacuuming video for you guys. Um, and I apologize for the long delay in my videos. I think it's been like a week. It's been like probably a week or over. A week to a week and a half since I last uploaded. I think my last video was that snow watching video that we had a lot of snow. But snow's all gone now, so it's time to vacuum up some dirt because I have it vacuumed, and I have it vacuumed this rug in probably close to 2 weeks because of all this snow that we got. About a week worth of snow, and it took about probably 3 to 5 days for it to melt. So that took quite a while. But anyways, we are back with another video, with another vacuuming video. So we have the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo model 68C71. So we are going to be vacuuming this rug. So let's get straight into it. But wait a minute. Did you guys subscribe to the channel yet? And hit the like on this video, and also hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button? Did you guys do that? Well, oh, you said no? Well, I guess we will not be doing a video on this vacuum cleaner. So how disappointing of you guys for not subscribing to the channel. So I guess I'll go ahead and end the video. Oh, wait a minute. You guys subscribe now? Okay, you hit the subscribe button, but did you hit the like button? Alright, but good job, guys. You guys hit the like button and you hit the subscribe button. But wait. Did you also hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button? You did? Good job, guys. You guys are the freaking best. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. We are at 95 subscribers. Only 5 more to go, and we will reach 100 subscribers. And also, I am planning to hit it by the end of this month, which is February 28th. Today is February 26th, which is 2 days from now. So guys, if we can hit 100 subscribers in 2 days, that will make my day. Like, honestly, guys, that will make my day. If we can just hit it, if we can just hit 100 subscribers on the last day of February, because that is my goal, to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month of February. So we are 5 away. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button right now. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video of this natural vacuuming. And I'm not going to go all the way up there because the rug is a little bit wet up there. So I don't want to suck up like water or nothing. But anyways, let's go. And I used this vacuum in 2 weeks or so. Probably a week and a half to 2 weeks. So here we go. Hope you guys enjoy. The cat ain't scared of the vacuum cleaner. He ain't scared. This is as far as I want to go pretty much, because if I go any further it's wet. So that's the end of this vacuum, pretty much. End of this vacuuming. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video, because I would like to keep posting content of what you guys like. Go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button. We are at 95 subscribers, and my goal is 100 subscribers by the end of February, and that is 2 days from now. So I am hoping that we can do it in 2 days. If we can do it today, awesome. Tomorrow, awesome. February 28th, awesome. So I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could just go ahead and please hit that subscribe button. Help me to get 100 subscribers. I'll keep posting content, vacuum cleaners, and all types of stuff. So that's the end of this vacuuming right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. And please hit the subscribe button. We are just so close to 100 subscribers. So anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, and hit the like on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, peace out.